Ultradent, the leader in minimally invasive endodontics. Dr. Dan Fisher, founder of Ultradent Products, states, "Minimally invasive endodontics is paramount even for root canal instrumentation, as removing as little tooth structure as possible allows us to maintain as much tooth strength as possible." It is from this philosophy that Ultradent has developed its endodontic product line. This step-by-step presentation will provide you with a simulated common endodontic case utilizing Ultradent's minimally invasive philosophy and the Telos hybrid file system. First and foremost, proper isolation is essential in endodontic procedures to protect the patient and to achieve a good outcome. Dermadam provides an excellent barrier due to its high elasticity and strength. The Dermadam frame, made of a malleable aluminum, can be easily adjusted and comfortably shaped to each patient's mouth.